Can I ask you a question? What's your take on Berta?
Ask me at the end of the transfer window.
No, he's asking you now.
Come on.
Okay, right now it's a 4 out of 10 window. If Glocker is signed, it's a 4 out of 10.
He took it personal.
You might have just being edgy on purpose.
No, see, this is another thing. Yeah, they'll come out with, oh, they're drunk in a minute. Yeah, they're drunk. Or you're just being edgy on purpose for clicks.
It's edgy, man. Like, it's not the clicks, because obviously I know that you don't need to say things for clicks. I follow you on Twitter. Yeah.
Why? I don't follow anyone.
Exactly.
I'm following.
That was the hint I was dropping.
So does Declan Rice, by the way. Do you reckon he's this edgy online?
That's the hint I was dropping. Yeah, I follow you on Twitter. Yeah,
thanks.
No, but Hooks,
he's a fan. He's a fan.
With this team, though.
Yeah, he's a fan. Get it? He's a fan.
Where do you think? Because you said Hooks, that we're gonna get Eze. Let's just say we do get Eze. Yeah, so we got Eze, Gyökeres, Norba, Zubimendi, Kepa. All these man, what do you think it does for our season? What do
you know what it is? Yeah, do you know what it is?
No, just answer the question without being a politician, bro.
But you man don't.
Answer the question. Let him land. Wait forward. Let him land.
You man don't care. You man don't care about my answer.
Well said.
Oh my days.
You man actually don't care about my answer.
Okay, politician Hooks. I just asked you.
The thing is, you man don't care about my answer, because if I give the answer, we like, do you know what's gonna happen? Yeah, I'm gonna see myself on at least 10 Northside videos next season, at least 20 League on next season.
Why do you care?
And it's like, by the way, he killed it. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, it's like you're trying to. You see, Bass Pro. It's like you man are trying to do the hook line
and damage control. But if you believe that, then you believe that. But then, if you believe that,
you know what? Yeah. Okay. Do you know what? This is what I'm gonna say. This is as basic as I'm gonna say it. Yeah. Arsenal finished second 3 times in a row without a gunman. That's all I'll say. We now have a gunman. That's all I'll say.
So we're winning the title then.
Exactly. There's no
Arsenal finished second 3 times in a row.
Yeah, we're getting
without a gunman. We now have a gunman, and if you add Eze on top of that as well, that's what I'm saying.
What about Rodrigo?
Yeah. Where's Rodrigo?
It's a wrap then. It's a wrap, right? It's a wrap.
I think he's going.
You think it's a wrap, Lee?
No, I'm asking you. It's a wrap. I'm being sarcastic. So you see, most people don't get sarcasm, bro.
Oh, you're being sarcastic? Okay.
No, sarcasm is lost on thick people. I'm not saying you're thick hooks, but most people don't get sarcasm, yeah? So if we sign Rodrigo and Eze, it's a wrap then.
So, like I said, because I said
you want the manager out. Can we just clarify that?
Like I said,
can we just clarify your stance on the manager?
Hey, and this is exactly what I meant when I said you don't care about my answer. You're just trying to you just want to hear stuff so you can then throw out debates. Oh, what about this? What about that? And
I don't need to debate, bro. I've been going live for 6.5 years on my own.
What about this?
On my own, bro. Exactly. I'm sitting there propping up my fucking iPhone. I'm live.
Wait, I'm not scared about being clipped.
I don't care about being clipped up.
I'm not scared about being clipped.
I don't care about being clipped up. I say what I think and what I believe.
I say no, man.
If I'm wrong, I'm wrong.
I'm the most clipped up football YouTuber on the planet. Yeah, do you think I give a fuck?
I'm just asking him for his opinion.
Hooks. You're entitled to change your opinion on anyone.
I know.
So don't let them. If they're gonna hold that to you, like fair, Lee Gunn has always been at from day one. I remember when he said, "I don't want this guy in the club." Northside, same. Rashid, I don't know if he was from day one, but I know these two were. If you want to change your opinion, then bro, you're entitled to do it.
Wait, change what opinion? What opinion am I changing?
That you're arteta out now. Arteta in.
Yeah.
Wait, arteta in
now. Whoa. See, this is what I mean, man. You man don't actually care about my opinion on what's going to happen next season. You just want to know.
You don't want to give it.
Are you Arteta in? Are you Arteta in now, or are you Arteta out? Like, what are we doing? Like, I'm sorry, can we not dumb down every conversation about football to are you Arteta in or out? That's what I
never asked you that. I never asked you that. I never asked you that question.
And just to clarify, because this is how.
I never asked you that question.
And just to clarify, because this is how football YouTube seems to be working at the moment. I said if Arteta does not win me a major last season, then I want him gone. He didn't win me a major, so I want him gone. He didn't go. He's still here. So the same expectation continues.
Okay, stop right there. Stop right there. No, stop right there. Stop right there, my friend.
No,
stop right there.
No, I don't need to stop. I already said.
Okay, you carry on then.
No, I said my piece. Now you can go.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay, thank you very much. Yeah, I appreciate that.
I appreciate that. Yeah,
thank you. I appreciate that too. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so do I. He's like golden, bruv. Yeah, I swear, Dad, he has to get the last word. This guy. So you want the manager gone if he didn't win a major last season? Your words. Now the manager didn't win a major. You're kind of just going, oh well, he didn't win a major, so I have the same expectation this season. No,
that's not what I'm. Okay,
that's what you said.
I live in the real world. Yeah, I live in the real world. It doesn't matter how many times I say Arteta out. He's not going. The decision has been made, so I can only apply the same standards and expectations that I had. I lost faith in you. Yeah, I didn't ruin that relationship. You did. You ruined that relationship. So you need to rebuild it. And the way that you rebuild it is you win me a major. If you don't win me a major again this season, then it's the same thing. I want you gone. I don't want to. Am I speaking in a language?
That's a fair point. I agree with that. I agree with that. That's a fair point.
Wait, if he go on, Lee.
I don't understand.
So on that basis, then, if you don't win a major this season, and he's still here the following season, then you have the same standard for the next season, and he don't win a major that season.
And then the next,
and the next. All of a sudden, it's 10 years he's been here. But then when he wins a major, you can go, see, I knew he'd win a major.
I told you.
No,
I told you.
No,
how about, yeah? I'll put it into girl talk, yeah?
How about
this? How about your girl goes and cheats on you, and you go, okay, baby, you were drunk, he took advantage, you fell for it, cool. I'll take you back, it's a one-off.
Wait,
but guess what, baby? Now hold up.
There's no holding up, because I'm not a pum-pum, yeah? I'm not a pum-pum, yeah? Because obviously you don't comprehend reality, yeah? There's a major difference.
Reality, 5 years, no trophy, you want the manager gone.
No, there's a major difference in that scenario. If somehow,
biggest word in the world.
If somehow by magic, if somehow by magic, my girl was to cheat on me,
she's gone. She's gone.
Yeah. Do you know what? I can control the outcome.
You can't.
You may not know this.
You can't,
but
because you might not know that she cheated.
No, well, if I find out.
Yeah, well, you found out that Arteta's cheated. Yes, but so use your social presence.
It's different.
Your 5K.
Well, okay, wait. Well, you know what? You know what's funny? Yeah. Do you know what's funny? Let's talk about social presence. Yeah. Let's talk about social presence. Yeah.
Here we go. He's going to spin it now.
You can go live. You can go live right now. No preparation. No planning. You can go with no title, no description, no thumbnail. You have 2.7K on your stream. You say Arteta out all the time. He is still here. He's still here.
Because there's a lot of them, man. There's a lot of
No. This backs up my point. This backs up my point. So what you want me to do is every single stream that I do, Arteta.
Do I do that on every single stream? Do I do that on every single stream?
Arteta out.
Do I do that on every single stream?
What does that achieve?
Do I do that on every single stream?
What does that achieve?
Do I do that on every single stream?
Oh man!
Answer the question.
Why do you focus on the hyperboles? I don't understand.
On the what? Say that again. Sorry, say that again. On the what?
Focus on the hyperbole instead of the point. I don't understand. You know what I'm saying? That's the thing. This is what
okay. What you're doing is you're taking. Yeah, the fact that I don't like this manager, I called him out first. Yeah, I've stuck on business and jobs since before he got the job. Yeah, but then what you're doing is dismissing every time I've not mentioned Arteta out on a stream, and you're grouping. No, hold up, let me land because I'll let you land. You're then grouping the stream you just left on my channel. Did I say Arteta out at all in that stream? What was the title? What did the title say? Berta is cooking. Yeah. What was the title? I'll tell you exactly what the fucking title was. Yeah. What about when I'm saying over the moon league and a fan cam, absolutely ecstatic league and a fan cam? I'm not mentioning Arteta out. Yeah. So what you're doing is you're taking the clips that people clip up of me, and using them as the go-to. Yeah, my last stream that you jumped on was emergency meeting. Berta is cooking. We're
Right.
acting like a big club. That was the
Lee,
title. Hold
Lee-
up. Did I say and mention Arteta in that, other than the fact that it's a 4 out of 10 window right now? Ask me again at the end of the window.
Okay.
But however, we still have this manager who has proven he can't get over the line. Did I mention him in a negative light other than that? No, I didn't. So now you're taking the exception and using it as the rule. Because if you watch my channel, hold up, let me land.
Okay.
If you watch my channel as much as the people in the chat do,
Okay.
every day, hours and hours and hours a month, that I stream.
Yeah.
If you actually watch it, 90% of the time I'm streaming, I don't even mention the fucking manager in a negative light. I don't even mention him.
Okay.
Yeah. But you're taking the exception and making that the rule because that's how it rolls, because it makes it funny.
Oh, so do you know what's funny? Do you know what's funny? Wait, quickly, just really quickly. Do you know what's funny? Yeah. Lee Gunner just did the emotional female thing, that has absolutely nothing to do with me, because I know that he doesn't do that all the time. Do you know how I know this? Because I speak to him on the phone. But do you know what's funny?
Why'd you say it then?
When I speak to him on the phone, he says Arteta out. So it's not about streaming, you want Arteta gone. I know this, you want Arteta gone. It's that simple.
I say the same offline as online. You know that, yeah?
I'm saying.
You know that, yes or no? Can you just clarify that?
Yeah,
I say the same offline as I do online.
I can clarify. Anyone that doesn't believe you, that's fine. I can clarify. We have video calls, and he likes to think that his sky is better than mine, but deep down he knows that it's not.
He has clouds in his sky, mine don't. But carry on.
My sky is brighter and all of that. But the thing that you're misunderstanding is you will sit there and say, oh, but you think this of me and this of me, and you think I do this, but that's the exception, and yada 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 and yada yada yada. But you're the first to sit there and say you're a top gooner. You're the first to actually sit there.
I call you a top gooner
and judge me for my opinions. When
Rashid, are we top gooners or bottom gooners? He's just called as top gooners.
No, we're bottom. We're bottom.
Yeah, apparently we're bottom gooners.
Well, you are bottom.
He's just called as top gooners.
Well, you are bottom gooners because if there's a top, there has to be a bottom. There's always
okay.
So there's a ceiling and there's a floor.
There's bad. Yeah, if there's a ceiling.
How big's the building?
Depends on what building it is. It depends what building it is.
I don't think. Listen, I don't think Hooks is on our level when you guys are calling it. Like, I don't personally. Hooks don't look like a top gunner to me. I don't even know what a top gunner looks like. So when you call him a top gunner, I can understand you're going on about maybe some certain individual fans. There's like who's jumped on a bandwagon. I can understand that. Like they wanted to ask her to hang for a few years. And then 2 years later, they want to go up against Lee and Northside. I can respect that because they haven't stuck to their guns. You can't go out ranting, get this forward, then for some reason, you've woke up, you've seen the light, you've had a dream about I don't know who, and I want to be Arteta and I want to start causing chaos.
He wants to be Arteta.
Do you get me? There's a lot of people like that.
100%, bro. He wants to be Arteta in now. He was Arteta out, now he's Arteta in. And then next season, we can wait. Nah, you know what it is? Nah. To be honest, they have their own group. It's called the on the fence community. I know them. I work with Catch and SB. You know what I'm saying? Big up to them. They're on the fence schooners. You never know how they think. You never know. I don't know if they're Arteta out or not. It's
they don't want to say, sorry to cut it. They don't want to say I'm Arteta out because then that aligns their opinions with me.
Yeah. But they're not like Robbie and them, man, though. But they're not like Robbie and them, man. I'm being fair now, yeah? They're not like Robbie and them, man, and Igao and they're long gone. That's these man, so it depends. So what they're trying to say is that every season we're gonna have to wait for Arteta, you know what I'm saying? Because he can use his platform. He can be one of the people that are calling it out. And let's be honest, it is a presence. You are helping. If you have 5K, 10K, you're on that kind of level, bro, you're helping. Even 1K, you're helping. But like, who bought you Gokares? Who do you think you bought you Gokares? Us. We bought you Gokares.
No.
Yes. We didn't accept
How dare you?
You get me? It's was too expensive.
How dare you?
We bought you better to this club. They need to shut us up. Yeah.
I thought you're part of us. Why are you offended?
How dare you?
Hey, bro. He's not down for the postcode.
Don't make me.
He's not down with the team.
Don't make me have to go through all of your streams and find the points that you told me that you don't want your carrots. How dare you?
Okay, show me
When
then.
did I say
Show me when I said
How
that.
dare you? How dare
The
you?
only time I ever said that.
If anyone bought
The only
Gyökeres,
time, and I'll tell you when I said that.
This is
I'll tell
like
you
the
exactly
first
when I said that.
he said
The
that.
only time I said that was when this fan base en masse, yeah, wanted Gyökeres, and I said anything this fan base want, go the opposite way. Fuck Gyökeres. Then me and Matty sat backstage for about 6 hours. And Matty, if you're listening, bless up. I know you're mad busy the next couple of days. Yeah. Me and Matty sat backstage for about 6 hours till the sun came up my time. And I went, yo, this guy's Van Persie with pace. Yeah. I was like, yo, cool. But at that point, it then switched to Sesko. Yeah. And the fan base on mass wanted Sesko. I said, cool. Well, I love Gyökeres then. Yeah. And then the more me and Matty was sitting backstage watching him, yeah, I was like, yo, he's actually cold, bruv. Yeah. I got it wrong. Thank you. See, I can say I got it wrong. See, drink to that, Hooks. Yeah, I got it wrong. Sip your beer now.
I know.
Sip your beer now, my G. Your Ekis, yeah. Double Ekis, yeah. Double Ekis, yeah.
Don't worry.
Yeah, he said that I said I didn't want Gyökeres. I'm still waiting for the clips. It's not that hard. I do clips all the time. It's not that
And now
hard.
guess what? And now guess what? Now the majority of this fan base don't want Gyökeres. They wanted Sesko. Why did they want Sesko? Why? Why did they want Sesko? Because number one, Arteta wants him and they're infatuated with him. Number two, it means 29 still plays most of the games. Number three, Starboy still takes penalties. Now they've got Gyökeres in here. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, now he's ready. Bang. Let's go, guys. 29's getting benched. The manager didn't want him, and Saka's off penalties. So now they can't do the Saka Foden fucking Palmer thing because Saka's GA is dropping because Gyökeres is on pens. 29, they can't keep hyping up because he's holding bench or playing left or in midfield. Yeah. And now the manager has to win. This is why we rep Berta, bruv. Thank you very much, Rashid.
Good.
Listen, I want